Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how the quiz feature works in StudyX. Open StudyX and click on AI Note. Upload your study material. Once it's uploaded, you can choose to generate note, flashcards, or quiz, depending on your study style. For example, you can go straight to quiz. Here, you first select the language you want to use, and then choose the difficulty level, easy, standard, or hard. Click Generate, and the system will instantly create multiple-choice questions at your chosen difficulty level. Click Start Quiz, and select the answer you think is most correct based on what you've learned. Once finished, you'll receive a summary of your quiz results. It shows which questions you missed, and provides clear explanations. From this page, you can also jump directly into flashcard practice, meaning you can quiz first, then review with flashcards. Or, you could start with Generate Notes. The system will organize your material into a clear summary. Then you can use the flashcards to memorize the key points, reviewing multiple times until you feel confident. Finally, you can move on to the quiz to test your understanding. These are just examples. In fact, you can freely combine notes, flashcards, and quizzes to create the study flow that works best for you. If there's anything else you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments.